Good morning, YouTube. I hope you guys are having a great day right now. I'm not necessarily having a great day. I kind of hate having to make this video, but I think it will help me relieve some of my stress right now. Something just happened, and it's not fun. So I thought might as well make a video about it. Let me just show you guys what happened. It has to do with the BRZ. It's not I'm not selling the BRZ or anything. It's kind of worse than that. This is currently my door. This is not the driver's side, this is the passenger side. Let me tell you guys what happened. So, looking at it, these look like surface scratches right here. This one is definitely like a big dent kind of thing. And this one is too. This one's really bad right here. That one's definitely like dented the door. This is all scratched up. This isn't that bad right here, but it's pretty bad. I don't think anything happened to my front. Oh, we got on my tire wheel. Yeah, that's basically it. There was already a dent in this door, luckily. It wasn't this big of a dent, but there was a dent from someone when they hit the door. So I'm lucky that it was this side, not the other side. This is totally my fault too. It's not like someone hit it or someone keyed it or anything like that. This is my fault. Basically what happened was I was going to like this school like extra credit club meeting thing. I realized it was like only a couple blocks away from my house. So I was like, why did I drive? I can go put my car up and I'll just longboard. And so I start turning around this driveway and I hear scraping. And I was like, that's not good. That's really not, I'm not against a rock or something. And I looked out and I didn't see any rocks. And when I finally got all the way around, I went and go parked my car, saw the damage first. I had no clue what I had hit, what I had scraped on, because there's nothing that I could see. There are no rocks. And so I longboarded back very angrily. There was a flower pot, like a big cement flower pot. Like this thing was big. It was like a couple feet in diameter, and it was really low too, so I couldn't see it from the car. I just scraped along it, and I knocked it over at the same time, and it did this. Like I've already, like it's just so. It could have been a lot worse, but it's still pretty bad. Camera can't really show how bad it is. It really took off a lot of the paint, and it's not all of them are just surface scratches. And it's completely my fault too. I'm not blaming the guy who had the flower pot in his like circle driveway. Just a little curious why he had a flower pot in like a turnaround driveway. It's like in dead center too. Maybe it's to prevent people from turning around, but I didn't see it and I hit it. This isn't the first, like there is an upside to this. First off, I fixed the dent that was in this door from when someone opened their door into it. That is one thing I fixed. And while they're fixing that, might as well fix when someone hit this fender, like they scraped it with something. I don't know what, but it was scraped one day when I came out and saw it. And while they're doing that, I'm gonna have them fix this fender because someone hit it with their door. People have absolutely no respect for this car. I try to have as much respect for it as possible, and I feel so bad that I did this. I'm just mad at myself that I did it. I hate that this is my third video. There's so many other videos that I would have wanted to make other than this. I don't know entirely what I'm going to do just yet. Still mad at myself that this happened. I'm gonna have to pay for it. I'm gonna have to fix it. I'm personally estimating like $1,000 to a couple $1,000s to fix. It's probably gonna be like a new door situation, and then like to get the dings out of like the under piece of the door, like that. I don't know what you'd call that, like the side skirt almost. I just think it's gonna be around $1,000 to $2,000. I may be wrong. I'm not a bodywork guy, and I've never had to do this much bodywork before. Anyways, I hope y'all are having a better day than I am right now. I'll keep you updated on this channel on fixing the BRZ. I don't really know how to end this. Normally I'd be like really cheery and be like, hey, thanks for watching. But yeah, it's just hard to be cheery right now. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Bye, guys.